welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm discussing about Windows 10 generic product keys and what is it, how to use it. Microsoft regularly releases free product keys for various editions of Windows, like different flavors, and it's also known as the generic product keys or default keys. It is not apparent what they are for, why you should use them, but it's useful and there is nothing wrong with using a generic product key to install Windows on the computer. However, doing so comes with some significant restrictions. A generic key gives no usage rights. They are only designed to help you install Windows. And within 30 to 90 days, depending on the key will get expired and you have to add a full retail key where you have to purchase from Windows Store or your local reseller. In theory, Microsoft will never let you activate Windows using a generic key. If you try to activate Windows using the generic product key, you will be seeing a message like, we can't activate Windows on this device because you don't have a valid digital license or product key, and there will be some trouble code as well. There are ways to bypass Microsoft controls, but it's not a right way of doing it, and it's a breach of agreement and you may get prosecuted. And also, cracking the softwares, I don't recommend it. And why we use generic product key on Windows 10? It's perhaps the best to think of generic product keys in the same way as you would think of a free trial for a piece of software. Yes, we get access to all features and can put the app through its paces, but you will need to spend some money at some point to retain the access. The idea for people who are building systems or who want to run Windows in a virtual environment. And we can upgrade generic product key by purchasing the license key, as I mentioned, from retail shops or sellers, or directly from Microsoft in some countries. And we can do the upgrade from by going to update and security activation portal and upgrade the edition of Windows, and by changing the product key. And I'm putting all the keys for different flavors like Home, Pro for Workstation, Education, and a lot of other stuff in the description. You can use that key in case if you want to activate Windows in 2020. So thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.